It's got like buttons on and lights on it. It beeps.
Rick, that describes everything in your garage!
Do you mean this?
Summer for the win. All right, that should do it.
Whoa, what did you do?
See for yourself.
Whoa.
Yeah, everything's frozen in time. Yeah, and Slow Mobius thinks he's all that.
It's called time, people. Hi.